Hi there, it's Sean from Starlink Installations, and our Starlink Mini has arrived. So I'm just going to be doing a quick unbox. This is the box that it arrived in. I've already taken off the cardboard there. I have no idea why it says Sharon there. Never mind. So yeah, inside the box, as you can see, we have obviously the packaging. And let's have a look at this dish straight away. Here we go. And it's really small. It's very dinky. We've got a little pipe adapter there. It looks like the same kind of poor design that the Gen 3 pipe adapters, pole adapters have. So I'm not sure how fit for purpose that's going to be. For installing more permanently or on a pole, but anyway, we'll see. We have the plug here. Okay, so this time they have sent me a UK plug. Sometimes Starlink do make a mistake and they send me USA plugs, which is sometimes a bit of a pain. Right, let's have a look at this dish. It's so small. Wow, I can pick that up in one hand, and it's really light, really portable. So yeah, that's impressive. Let's just put that down there. We've got the information sheet here. Let me just pick that up. And there's, I guess that's just protective. There's nothing on there. We've got the cable. So here's the Starlink Mini cable. And I guess this is just some, general regulatory notices. Okay, we've got all the instructions on here. So first of all, let's see how this kickstand is going actually. So look at this little dinky kickstand. Look, just like the Gen 3, but a little bit different. So let's just stand that. Okay, yeah, cool. So that stands up quite nicely. Okay, I'm going to take this outside, plug it in, and see if we can get it working. Hey everyone, so I've set it up and it's just going off the mains power at the moment. So I've got it coming out of the garden office here, and it's just been plugged in. It's currently doing an update, and I've just got it in my garden here. So you can see we've got all of these obstructions, like a big tree, got another big tree here, and then there's kind of more of a clearer view of the sky if we turn around, and you see the top the house here, so we've got a clear view of the sky over this side. But in general, I've just done a quick speed test, and it's already getting at the moment about 65 meg while it's downloading an update, and with these obstructions here as well. So all good so far. I've got a Gen 2, Starlink Gen 2 on the house and inside. On average that probably gets about 130 to 150 all around the house, like just across, throughout the whole day. And this Starlink Mini, just first test while it's downloading an update with all these obstructions in the garden, is getting 65 meg. So yeah, first off, not too bad really. Let's get through this update, and then I'll post another video when we do some more tests with it to see what speeds we can get. Cheers.